Santa Ana winds could feed Woolsey blaze. Fire officials are concerned high Santa Ana winds forecasted for the next several days could help spread the 85,500-acre Woolsey fire in Ventura and Los Angeles counties. According to the LA Times, the fire, which has killed 2 people and caused the evacuation of more than 250,000 people from Malibu to Thousand Oaks, was only 15% contained as of Sunday night. According to officials, the blaze has destroyed more than 177 buildings, with around 57,000 structures still at risk. The forecast is calling for wind gusts of 40 miles per hour or stronger over the next few days. Firefighters are now concerned that potential wind gusts could suddenly change directions, affecting the behavior of the fire. Strong winds could also hamper the effectiveness of aerial water and retardant drops, restricting firefighters to battle the blaze solely from the ground. According to fire officials, wildfires across the state have burned nearly 200,000 acres and killed at least 31 people.